How to delete Snapchat data permanently. So to do that, you can go ahead and just focus on deleting your account. And to do that specifically, you should just go ahead into your settings in Snapchat. In our case, it's in the top left corner where there's a little person that's pretty much our profile. And then the settings, which is the cog button in the top right corner. What you're going to do now is press on the delete account options, and this should allow us to delete the data of our Snapchat. So just go ahead and press on that. It's going to lead us to a specific browser that we should log in and put the password of the account. So make sure the account you're using is the one you want to delete. And if you're sure that you want to delete your data, over here, you can enter your username again and password below and just go ahead and press continue. This should follow up the process of your account getting deleted. And if you've requested your data and haven't received it yet, you're gonna have to wait until you've downloaded your data to delete your account, since they won't be able to contact you if your account is scheduled for deletion. So anyways, again, just go ahead and press and continue, and you'll be able to delete your Snapchat data along with your account. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.